Northern Transformer's Innisfil expansion, a strategic leap for Ontario's energy and economy. Northern Transformer Corporation's announcement of a new $207 million large power transformer, LPT, facility in Innisfil, Ontario, marks a turning point in the province's energy supply chain and domestic manufacturing capacity. Slated to open by 2028, the 183,000 square feet plant will produce and test transformers up to 500 kV and 750 MVA, capabilities previously out of reach for Canadian manufacturers. This expansion aligns with Ontario and Canada's goals for grid modernization, decarbonization, and economic resilience. Founded in 1981 in Concord, Ontario, Northern Transformer Corporation built its reputation on liquid-filled power transformers serving utilities and industrial clients. Under Giovanni Marcelli's 2012 ownership, the company pursued upgrades, opening a modern maple facility in 2016, and adding high-voltage winding and drying in 2023, to meet increasing demand for transformers up to 240 kV. Its core values of care, quality, and aspiration have fostered long-term relationships with Hydro One, Bruce Power, Ontario Power Generation, Electra, and renewables developers. Ontario's electricity grid faces rising demand, aging assets, and an urgent climate agenda. Large power transformers are central to bulk power transport, renewables integration, and grid reliability. Recent projections estimate transformer demand could grow by up to 260% by 2050, driven by urbanization, data center growth, and the shift to wind and solar. Domestic production has lagged behind, leaving utilities vulnerable to long lead times, global supply disruptions, and tariff risks. Northern Transformer's new plant in the Innisfil Heights employment area will feature production lines for liquid-filled LPTs rated up to 500 kV and 750 MVA. Ultra-clean, open architecture assembly areas ready for digital controls and modular components. Extra high-voltage testing labs for in-house validation against North American and global standards. An Ontario-first sourcing policy for magnet wire, insulation, electrical steel, and specialty cables. Strategically located along Highway 400 and the Barrie-Collingwood Railway, the site ensures efficient logistics for provincial and export markets. The Innisfil expansion is forecast to create at least 151 direct skilled jobs in engineering, production, quality assurance, logistics, testing, and management. Indirect employment through suppliers, construction, and services could add up to 2 additional jobs per manufacturing role. Local businesses supplying insulation systems, specialty cables, and steel stand to benefit from increased demand, strengthening Simcoe County's economy and skills pipeline. Multi-level collaboration underpins the project. Hydro One, Bruce Power, and Ontario Power Generation committed as anchor customers. Invest Ontario and Ontario's Ministry of Energy and Electrification provided planning support and financial incentives. FedDev Ontario contributed $6 million towards critical machinery to boost domestic capacity. The town of Innisfil and County of Simcoe facilitated site infrastructure and workforce development. Provincial and federal backing underscores the facility's role in energy security, supply chain resilience, and high-value job creation. By localizing LPT production, Ontario mitigates risks from global supply chain shocks, tariffs, and geopolitical tensions. The Innisfil plant's advanced reactors will support smart grid technologies, bidirectional flows, digital monitoring, and modular upgrades, enabling higher renewable penetration and faster decarbonization. As electrification sweeps transportation, industry, and buildings, reliable high-capacity transformers become critical for meeting Canada's net-zero ambitions. Northern Transformer's Innisfil facility represents a paradigm shift for Ontario's manufacturing and energy landscape. Through significant capital investment, advanced technical capabilities, and deep public-private collaboration, the project addresses urgent grid needs, creates high-value employment, and fortifies Canada's supply chain sovereignty. In building large power transformers at home, Ontario is charting a course toward a more secure, modern, and sustainable energy future.